Hello everyone, my name is Xiao. I'm the founder of Athena AI. Athena will build a suite of AI tools, and this is one of the most popular tools called Athenaboard. So let me just show you how it works. Basically, it's a whiteboard tool. Basically, I have this AI assistant here right next to my X-Color whiteboard over here. So for example, I can ask for mobile app wireframes. Right, so I was a big fan of Balsamiq back then, but one thing about Balsamiq is I'm always struggling finding like wireframe mockups. So here, for example, I can just ask for like mockups, and then where I'm interested, I can drag into to the scene over here. Right, for example, here, let me just drag that into the scene. Oh, it's here. So yeah, and from here I can like edit any like label over here. I can customize anything over here. So if I want a button, I can just simply type button over here. You will know that I'm asking for buttons. If I want a specific style button, I can also prompt it over here. So I call this vibe designing. You see, it gives me like a different style. So if I don't have the right button over here, right, I can just like replace it with a blue button over here. And of course, I can customize the text on it. Whoops, I think I need two hands here. I need to grab that as a group. Yeah, it's more difficult to do that with one hand, so you get the idea over here. And I can basically ask for any other assets over here. Yeah, so that's, right now, our primary channel is through Google Workspace. In fact, we're the most popular whiteboard on Google Workspace with over 2 million users. And yeah, we're doing some other integrations. We also have a Canva integration that we just made. And it was published like 2 months ago. And it needs some feature, the Canva whiteboard, because we're doing mainly the whiteboard integrations at Canva, and they have some limitation at the moment. That's why like we didn't add the full features yet, especially for the wireframe features. And yeah, and that's it. Thank you.
Any questions? Okay, yes, we have one here.
Yes.
So, how many users do you have? What was that community?
Over 2 million users on Google Workspace. People mainly using that on Google Meet sessions.
So you have 2 million users.
Exactly.
That's awesome.